guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I chopped my hair, all of it, little by little. I've been cutting it. I did cut it, when was it? A month and a half ago. I did cut it, and then my sister just cut it too straight, so it was like straight hair, and I was just like, no, I want some layers. I want to accelerate all this process because I honestly don't have time to like be waiting so long. So that's why I did it, and I'm happy. I like how it looks, and I just can't wait for like 6 to 7 or 12 more months and like see the results. All right guys, so I'm going to my big chop. I'm like so scared right now. You guys have no idea. This is how my hair looks. I washed it and I kind of styled it, and it looks straight and all the curls are down here, so that's what I don't like. But yeah, this is how my hair looks right now. Before, you guys know I cut it, so the length is not super long, but I'm like really scared. Oh my god, y'all. Look how short my hair is. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look at this. Oh my gosh. My hair is so short. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I am shook right now. I'm like shook at my hair. It's absolutely crazy. This is how it looks like, and it is wet. It's like probably like 10% dry, so that's why it looks so flat. Alright guys, so I decided to do the chop, as it's called, because it was too much. Like if you're transitioning to natural hair, you know that your natural hair starts coming out, and then your old hair is all the way at the bottom. So as you can see here, I do have a lot, like in the front mainly, I do have like straight ends, and then it starts getting curlier the more I look at the back. And I just want to chop off all of that keratin treated hair, and it was just straight, and there was nothing that I could do to make it straight. So I decided to chop it off, and she did leave it like a little bit longer, but I was like, nah girl, chop it off. So that's what she did, and I really do like how it came out. I have no complaints. There are some strands that are longer than others that kind of like you know, like, I don't know, there was one over here. I don't know if I can find it right now, but there was one that was just, it was long. She forgot to cut it, but I mean, it's fine. It doesn't really bother me. But yeah, I cut my hair 4 days ago, I believe, or 5 days ago, and I went to Curl Evolution here in New York. So if you live in New York or Long Island, you know that Curl Evolution is kind of like the Diva Curl in California. Revolution is the one here in New York, and yeah, I really do like it. They were so nice, and I did record a little bit, so I will show you guys like little clips of me there. And she did ask me how I wanted my hair to be cut, and I told her that I wanted it kind of like a little bit of layers. I didn't want it just straight. I didn't want any straight lines, which I feel like she didn't really listen to me that much in that, because I told her I wanted like layers, and this doesn't look like that much layers. It looks like it's a little bit straight, but whatever, it's gonna grow out. And first she cut my hair dry. She dried my hair completely. She used the diffuser, she dried it because I had it wet, and then she cut it, and then she took me to the hair washer place thingy, and then she washed my hair. She put deep conditioner and everything, and she styled it the way she liked it, and she told me if it was good. You know, they're not gonna style it the way you like, because you know it's impossible, because that's the way you like it. So after I got home, I washed it myself, I styled it, and I'm just so much happier with how it looks. Using the right products and just doing the big chop is not easy because my hair was so long. I don't know if you guys remember. I'll insert a picture. It was like almost down here. You can't even see. It was like down here, and every time I would go like this to my back, it was so long. So for me to cut this, I do recommend the big chop if you want. If you think that you could take it, if you could be with short hair. I mean, it's not even that short. I'm sure y'all be fine. Yes, I've been transitioning for 6 months, about to be, actually no, about 5 months or something, and the results are crazy. I cannot wait to 6 more months to see how my hair is gonna look. If you're interested in my other videos, I will leave it down below so you could see it. I've been documenting this. I think I have 3 more videos, and then you can see the products that I've been using. And yeah, this is my hair. The curls are crazy right here, and it's still wet, so you can't really see that much, but it's super curly. The way she cut it, I feel like my hair is like so much healthier. And look over here, it's just so much healthier. The curls are crazy right here, and I really like how she did it. She was super nice, and I'll leave all the information down below to the general website for Curl Revolution if you're interested. And yeah, I just cannot wait for like 6 or 5 more months, because oh my god, I love it. And I'm gonna keep cutting it because I do want to have only curls. I don't want any straight hair, and all this is straight in the front, like right here, and it pisses me off because I don't want it there. But the first thing to all this is patience. Patience is all I'm gonna tell you guys, because it is not easy to have curly hair at all. I thought it was gonna be easier, but it's not whatsoever. So if I had any advice for somebody that's starting out, I would recommend for you to cut it, because it's gonna keep dragging. You're not gonna find good hairstyles to do to yourself, and you're just gonna get a little frustrated. Like if you want to style it a certain way, is like you're gonna have curls and then straight, and that's kind of annoying. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to chop my hair, and this is how it looks. I like it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave down below all of the other videos that I've done with my hair. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. God bless you, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.